just to single click. Click the resin and that's it.
Yes.
No need to add anything.
No.
This is the best way. Many brands, they have many problems. That's why we choose ray shape, because the stability gives the customer more flexibility to work with it. Also, the open source material, so the customer can use not only ray shape material, he can use other materials like from Detax, from Sarimco, from many others. By this way, customer will feel free.
They have lots of choices.
Yeah, I'm dental technician, so I'm using this material every day.
Oh,
We are
great.
very happy with the result. We have nice and perfect product.
So for friends who has been like concerning about like should I collaborate with Ray Shape, what's your advice?
From my experience, the best choice for now. I told you, I'm a dental technician. So it's very important. So I can test the material. I'm using the material every day.
Yeah.
Not only the material, I mean the printer as well. And both of it in good shape. And the result is always good. Yeah, stability is very important for us, especially with the light cube material.
Yes.
Because there is many factors maybe affecting the result. The printer itself is stable, so he can get always the same result.
Yes. How about the resign ourselves and compare to other brands? Which one would you recommend? Yes.
That's the crushable resin. For a dental technician who has the ceramist, he needs unscratchable resin.
Oh.
So when he put and take out the crown,
Yes.
he will not affect the adjacent tooth.
Oh, I see.
Because of this resin is very hard for me as a dealer. I want to be honestly
Stable and match.
Yeah. Just to single click the resin and that's it.
Yes.
No need to add anything.
No.
This is the best way.
This is super straightforward, super easy to use.
Super easy, of course.
Yes.
This is why I don't want to use any other material, because you have everything here. You have the model, you have the soft pink, you have the denture base. It's good.
Also save you lots of time.
Of course.
Yes.
And less headache.